Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. So what you're going to do here is you have to launch your WhatsApp application. And if you want to remove this navigation bar below, then there is no option or feature that you can turn this one off on this application. So the best thing to do here is you have to create or start a backup. Tap these three dots at the top right corner and then click settings. Now you have to scroll down and then click chats. Scroll down again and then tap this chat backup. Now click backup right here and make sure that this one is connected to your Google account. So you just have to wait as it is processing. It will back up all the messages, files, videos, and chat history. Now, once you're done, then what you're going to do here is you just have to simply uninstall your WhatsApp application. So remember, this is the best way on how to remove or how to get rid with WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. After that, you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then this time you have to install the old or oldest version of WhatsApp application. So here you can search for old version of WhatsApp or oldest version of WhatsApp. And then what you're going to do here is you have to search, for example, that WhatsApp application is like 2022 or 2023. So you have to select that. In these versions, there is no WhatsApp bottom navigation bar because this feature is installed or it's included in the updated version of the WhatsApp application. So if you want to remove this WhatsApp bottom navigation bar inside WhatsApp application, then that is impossible. So you have to look for the older or oldest version in order for you to get rid of this feature. So here you have to select and then look for that oldest version. And for example, you found that oldest version right here. What you're going to do is to click and then download and install this to your phone device. So again, make sure that you have uninstalled your Instagram application before doing this. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.